In this video we'll show you how to print text messages from your Android phone. So if you have a bunch of text messages that you want to print, of course the easiest way is to simply capture a screenshot and then tap the share icon, tap on the print option and then simply print out this particular screenshot. However, if you have a bunch of messages that you want to print, or if there are thousands of messages, this method isn't ideal. For that, you'll need to head to the Play Store and download this free app called SMS Backup and Restore. Now open it. In here, you will need to allow the app all the necessary permissions. Once you have done that, tap on this menu icon in the top left corner. Now here you will need to select Backup Now. Now here make sure to turn off this call logs toggle. Next you will need to tap on Advanced Options. Now here you can use this toggle to enable attachments on media. So if there are any photos or attachments that you want to print, make sure to keep this toggle on. Now scroll down and here select More Backup Locations. Now here you can select any of the locations here, but it's best to select your phone. So I'll just select that. Finally tap on this backup option at the bottom and then select yes to confirm. Now simply wait for the backup process to complete. Once you see this backup finished or backed up today message, simply tap the menu icon again and this time select View Backups. Now this will take you to where your backup is currently saved. Now simply open the backup. Now you'll need to scroll through the list and find the conversation that you want to print. Once you have found your conversation, tap the three dot icon next to it and then select Print Conversation. Now if you have a wireless printer, you can simply select it from here, or if you want to print this text message from your PDF, you can select Save as PDF, save the PDF on your phone and then transfer this particular PDF to your PC and then print it from there. For context, this is how your PDF will come out. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.